Jutting majestically into the Irish Sea, on the tip of the northwest Wales coast, Llŷn, the Llŷn Peninsula. Attracting thousands of visitors every year, families have been coming for generations to enjoy its unspoilt landscape.
So, how long do you think we've been coming here now?
40 years?
40 years, something like that, yeah.
But there's also another Llŷn not all the visitors get to know. A stronghold of Welsh culture and language.
They ask you, what do you speak it every day? And I think, well, this is our language, this is what we speak, this is who we are, you know.
Where old traditions are still part of life.
Welsh is the Welsh bit of Wales that ever has been.
In this series, we follow the lives of the people who call Llŷn home and reveal what it means to try and guard a Welsh way of life through the changing seasons. Can they try and make a living and safeguard a culture in one of Wales's truly Welsh heartlands?